What up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Street Motorworks. Today I'm going to be installing this harness for the fog lights because this truck don't have fog lights, or it doesn't have like the option, the actual button to have fog lights. Got a little switch in the harness, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be installing that the harness. I'm gonna try to get this wire through the firewall. Already has a relay, a switch. Pretty nice looking switch. Oh, it ain't nice now. About to break it. Damn. But yeah, pretty basic. There's a fuse wire for the power. There's a ground, a switch, and the plugs for the actual bulbs. But yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And then I might get on the dashboard today also. I already got a replacement for it. I'm probably gonna take it apart, take it off, and I need to figure out why my vents aren't switching over. I switch over all my vents. I go from here, and then I try to change it, and it doesn't change. So I guess I'm gonna try to figure that out while I'm on the dashboard. Car running. Got everything, just waiting on the motor. She be out soon though. I also bought a $50 colder intake. I'm gonna go ahead and run my friend Nan with the black C71 that beat me last time. We'll see if that little cheap Amazon colder intake makes a difference. Gonna have some fun. The slow runs are the best runs. That's where I have fun, whenever I'm racing a slow car. Getting ready for the race. I'm gonna take the spare off. That's the first tacuache step to smoke some dudes out there. Then I'm gonna do the colder intake. That's step 2 to being a tacuache. Gotta take off the cold. Gotta get the colder intake. The Amazon $50 special. Step 3. We need our fuels. Our fuels, man. Our fuels. Fuels, baby. We need to get that O'Reilly special. Got that Matadditive. Ooh, that boy Nan finna get gap, boy. That C71 ain't gonna beat me today, man. Oh yeah, baby. Got the truck all apart, installing the harness, running all the wires. Fog lights. Look what I got in the mail. I ain't finna get beat by C71 no more. That boy Nan's gonna get gassed. $50 special right here, guys. Check that out. $50 ain't bad. I guess it'll do. Maybe with $50 I can smoke that truck. What's this? Installation kit? Nah, trash. I need that. Got the air filter. Not bad for $50. I thought it was pretty good. Got the pipe. Oh, it's pretty thick. Thought it was gonna be thinner, but doesn't look too bad. I might coat this black, like some ceramic coat or something. Keep the heat away. Got the shields. Gonna make this thing fly. Fuck it, I think I'm gonna put these on the truck instead, so that boy won't beat me. But yeah, man, that's what I got so far. I got the harness right inside the body and about to connect some wires and get the fog lights working. Then after that, I'm gonna start installing this. And then we're gonna do some pulls. Oh, you know, see what it does against Fernando's truck again. Hopefully I beat him with the little $50 intake. But yeah, alright, let me get back to it. Alright, so I got the harness installed. Got the fog lights installed already on. Ran the wiring. That's it right there. Now I'm gonna start doing the intake. I'm gonna start installing that.
This is long, bro. It's long.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, oh shoot,
What's it have?
like a mirror in there.
Oh,
What you doing, cuz?
putting on this rubber piece that comes with it.
$57 on Amazon. See what it does. We had the box in, but you get all the air from the bottom and the side. Like, see, so you get all the air from the right there. Is it?
No, my shit's gonna suck water when it gets flooded. It's gonna suck all the water. My shit's gonna hydro lock and that's it. It's gonna go to shit.
Is this a oiled one or a cotton?
What the
filter.
I don't even know, bro. Probably just the cheapest shit you can find. I don't know.
Amazon. On mine, I had trouble también. It didn't line up. The holes.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck.
Let me take that mass airflow sensor off.
Oh yeah, we get a check engine and oop. Bueno, era cool. Homeboy said, with this, he'll get me.
Yeah, bro, that's the juice.
The juice, ooh, making power. I'm gonna post on my truck too, so it could be even.
Nah. It's only, I wasn't even supposed to show you that.
Oh, so you were gonna cheat?
Yeah, nah, it's not cheating, bro. It's just what's in the car.
Okay, guys, we got everything done. We're just tying everything up right now. Nice quarter intake.
$50.
$50.
$50. I'm finna smoke this guy with $50.
Then wheels those.
Gotta have the fuels, man. Gotta have the fuels. Finna smoke this guy. I'm gonna replace my dash too. That was fucked up.
La Denali cut?
This next.
La Denali?
Mm-hmm.
Hold it clean, not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna turn it on, see how it sounds.
Hell yeah, cup. Holder intake cup.
Like this. Ooh.
Fog light, baby.
The fog those, the fog those.
Damn, that sounds like a gas to me.
It sounds good.
Like a gas.
Sounds good. We took off the plate down there so the air can come from down there también, from the side and everything. Yeah. Got the airflow sensor right there, clamped on. Other clamps clamped down. The secret stuff.
The secret stuff, man.
The secret stuff, baby.
VP. Octanium.
Ooh. Truck look like it's running pretty good. Nice little single cab. Who's that?
Okay.
El Cut! Oh, dang, got everything all ripped out because he put on the fog lights. Fog look pretty good. Clean truck for the age. Clean truck. Yeah. Oh, rocker switch. Okay. Damn.
Oh shit!
Whoa.
I'm spilling this stuff, man. I'm spilling this stuff. Man, that shit's like pee. Look at that shit. Shit me all the way. Hey, man.
It does.
I should have just peed in there myself. Smells like piss too.
This is what? Treats up to 10 gallons?
I only got like 3 in there, so it's gonna be potent.
No, I'm on like less than a quarter right now. Oh. Every drop.
Every little drop in there.
Are you recording?
Yeah. SBT trucks.
It's been inside for like an hour.
Oh my god, we're cooking. Why?
I'll show y'all the one I have on my truck. Alright guys, I'll show you the Code Air I have in my truck. It's a SMB. I'm the truck that Jonathan had ran in the last video. Oh, the truck's dirty. God. Well, look,
F1.
Nice little filter. It does work. Get turbo! Get a turbo! Oh!
Wait. Step one for being a tacuache, I had to remove the spare. Had to get it off.
Damn. Weight reduction.
Stage 2, colder intake. Stage 3, the fuels. We got the P in there. Voy a poner esta aquí atrás, güey, mejor aquí. Jet fan technology.
Come away, come away. Oh shit. I know everything's all taken apart.
Yeah, I'll put it back later together.
For the fogs, for the fogs. The V2 cut. Carbon fiber, baby. Renegade Motorsports.
Come on, let's go inside.
Turbo. Yeah, I think we're gonna run the trucks right now. I need to pump a little bit of fuel. So, cause I'm on E right now. Yeah, the plans for this truck, I already got this cold air intake S&B, and I also have a Corsa exhaust Sport. Oh, sorry it's dirty, but yeah. Oh man, Corsa baby. Sounds pretty nice. Snap on cook. Sounds pretty nice though. I used to have a muffler delete and a resonator delete, and it was like alright. It was tacuache, but yeah.
Let's go run them before the storm starts.
Storm. Oh yeah, guys, it's gonna be a storm over here in Houston. We're supposed to be flying away in the tornadoes. All right, guys. See you on in a little bit.
You honk it. 25.